Hello everyone. I woke up this morning super excited because I had it just popped up in my YouTube feed, this wonderful video. It was from Gez Carpenter, and she made this amazing fun little fold out pocket using circles. So I'm going to show you how that was done. She made hers into a tag. I'm making mine into a belly band because I need one for the journal I'm working on. But anyway, I loved it, and Gez gave credit to Be Reborn Art Healing and Cara Renee. And you can check out her YouTube video. I'll try and get those links placed down below so you can see different varieties. But I've been wondering what I wanted to do with these circles in the May subscription kit. I love working with them, and I was struggling to decide what I wanted to do. And so when I saw the video, I was super excited. So let's go ahead and just get started. So it's super duper easy. What you're gonna need is 4 circles. Now these are huge. These are from the kit. They are 3 1/4 inch. So they are large circles. And that's okay. You can really kind of use, I wouldn't go any smaller than like 2 inches, maybe 2 1/2. But yeah, so these are big. Anyway, let me show you what you do. I've got 4 of them, and then you fold them all in half, and then go ahead and ink. You will be seeing the inside, so if you want, you could print like a neutral writing paper or even a pretty paper, because it's not going to, you don't have to journal on this. There's going to be another spot. All right, now I also had I had some leftover manila envelopes, so I used that for the backing to kind of support everything. And I wanted to give you the measurements. If I do centimeters, I'll be so messed up. All right, so this smaller one is 3 1/8. No, 3 1/16. This one is 3 1/2. And that will be the back one, and this one's gonna go inside. So get your smaller square. You'll notice that the sides of the circles are the same as this. So whichever size of circle you use, that's about the size of square you're gonna need to kind of mount all of those circles onto. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna start with our top and bottom. So kind of lay out which ones you want where in your little project. Get that laid out first so that you don't glue things to the wrong place. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of my art glitter glue. I just thank you to Gez and Renee for coming up with this, because I was really excited to have an idea for my circles. All right, this is the one. I know, because this is the one I inked. I only inked kind of the half I was gonna use. You could ink all of it, but you know, if you're like me, why ink if you don't have to? All right, I'm lining that up, and it's okay if it hangs over the edges a little bit. It's gonna be covered up. Hopefully I'm in. Oh, good, I'm in. I always worry about that. All right, and we have this side. And I'm really trying to make sure that these edges get squished down really good, because that portion will be used as a pocket. I'm trying to decide the easiest way. There we go. So those go down, that goes down. Awesome. All right, one more. This is just brilliant. I'm so grateful for all the brilliant inspiration out there. It keeps me creating, keeps me excited. All right. So now we have kind of the base of that made, inked up. I want this side inked a little more. Kind of doesn't match the other side. There we go. Okay, now this is going to be mounted onto here, but it's going to be treated as a pocket. And I'm loving this because there's really nothing for that tag to get caught on. when I put the little tag in there. So you'll see what I mean in a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and mount this to that main piece. Just putting a little bead of glue on those 3 sides, a decent amount so it'll stay nice and stable, and leaving just a cute little border, and we have our cute little pocket by leaving that top available. All right, let's see, next. I'm gonna go ahead and make some holes for some twine. So I'm going to be putting 2 eyelets in, and that's going to seal it shut with just a little bit of twine. So darling. So I'm eyeballing, just so you know. This could get exciting. All right, the deed is done. So I'm going to look at this, and I'm just going to kind of mark with a little pencil so that that second one will be in line with my first one, right about there. And then, oh, can't see through there. That does not even seem centered, so I'm hoping my pencil mark worked. That looks good. Yay! All right, go ahead, and I'm gonna place my eyelets. You look very up close today in the video. Maybe I should back it up a little. All right, there is that. And they're fairly lined up. All right, let's see. I have a tiny bit of this. I wonder if that's, let's try it. This is just a leftover scrap. If it's not enough, I'm gonna grab some more, but it's just a little bit of twine to kind of secure that cute little journaling spot shut. I think that piece will work. Yay. Isn't that darling? Ah, so cute. Okay, so then you can open that up and journal or put a photo or whatnot. So let's go ahead and seal that up. Now, I'm turning this into a belly band. So I'll go ahead and just show you what I did to kind of add some fun and bring some more of that May kit into this concept. So this is a piece of the paper from the kit. I printed it on a lightweight cardstock. Oh, I forgot my butterfly. I'll put it in later. Anyway, lightweight cardstock, and I just cut it to the height that I needed. And for your reference, if you're doing the same size, centimeters, I trim this to about 2 3/4, and then I used one of my fun edge punches, which is optional. You could add cute lace on the sides instead. That would be super cute too. And then I just inked everything. Now I wanted some lace down the center that's gonna poke out from behind. So let's go ahead and put that just on. Gonna especially make sure and get a good amount at the top and the bottom. Oh. I'll place that in the middle, and then I'm gonna trim because I cut it extra long. Oh. Come on over here. There we go. This does not want to center. That's okay. Just really making sure that's on there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and trim these down. You can leave a little extra if you want. That's kind of a fun effect as well. And sometimes I like to just grunge the edges just a hair, just to kind of keep it true to the style of the rest of it. All right, so we have our belly band. So what will happen is I will glue this into my journal along here and along here, and then I'll be able to tuck some coffee dyed paper back in there for some journaling. But don't forget, we have our little hidden tag. So here's some more fun bits from that kit. I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. I just made a quick tiny little fun collage. We do have that little extra bit of lace. Oh golly, let's do a take 2 on that. Maybe. Maybe a little better. Maybe not, that's okay. And I think that would just be fun to have a little lace on this. Of course, I am gonna have something fun up here, so maybe I don't wanna overdo it. And it will slide in and out of the pocket more easily. And this is just a cute little label. All right. Oh, I didn't ink my label. I need to grunge that down. It's a little bright for the style. There we go. Cute, cute. We need an eyelet up here in the top. I'm going to go ahead and give that a good amount of space. Pop that eyelet in. I love this little butterfly. I think I'm going to put it in here though. Let's see. Let's go ahead and grab, we're going to grab just a little bit of this kind of sorry silk ribbon. And I think, yep, we're going to do this. If I can get it through my tinier eyelet. I usually do this with my bigger eyelets, but it's pretty lightweight stuff. Some lace would be fun there too. Or you could even use the same little twine there to kind of echo that. That would be cute. All right, we got it. We got it. As the eyelet tears out. Maybe we got it. There we go. Now we've really got it. All right, I'm just gonna come through and just very carefully, so you don't see any of those lines, I'm gonna kind of ink that up. Gonna cut these down just a hair so it's not like sticking way past the edge of the belly band. There, that is really cute. Okay, so now we need to attach this while still leaving room for that card to get in there. So as you can see, there, oh, never mind, we don't, because this is going right here. Oh, my dog's gonna bark, you guys. Here he goes. We've got a delivery guy at my house. He's a little guy, but he has a big bark. All right, let's go ahead and just attach that down while we ignore my dog. It's okay, Smokey. That's the it's okay doggy voice. All right, let's go ahead and put this on. Needs a good amount of glue right through there on the lace. And then we're just gonna squish this on, centering that. And we're gonna let that dry for just a minute. But you can see we left this open so we could get that pocket here so we didn't have to work around the lace, because that would have been kind of tricky to work around that lace. So hooray for thinking ahead there. Sometimes it works, and sometimes you learn from those mistakes. All right, that's probably dry. So I'm gonna open this again to get my cute little butterfly, because I just think that would be so cute to have there. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it unattached because maybe he'll kind of fly a little bit when it opens, which would be super cute. Just let his wings kind of flap up. All right, we'll let that dry for just a sec. But that is it. So we have this awesome belly band, and we have a beautiful way to use up our circles. So I am so happy. It was like providence that that showed up this morning in my YouTube feed. I was so happy. So thank you ladies for giving me some inspiration for this May subscription kit that I've been having so much fun with. And now I can add this belly band into my cute little journal box. So we're building up our ephemera from this May kit, and I am just loving how these colors are working together. So I can't wait to get that one going. But anyway, there's the cute little box. There's the cute little new belly band, and we'll just keep creating. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll talk to you later. Bye.